Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, click on the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about how do you extract broken screws. So sometimes you have these screws that you can't take out, either with a drill or an impact driver or with your screwdriver. Then what do you do? So one solution is to try this thing called Grab-it. It's something you can get in Lowe's for like less than 10 bucks, and it's pretty useful because it lets you get screws out where other tools don't work. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has got two ends, and on one side you got the end that actually creates the groove, and the other side is the one that uses to extract it out. So let's try this in action. So I've put this thing, the one that creates the groove, on this side of the drill, and the drill is set on the slower mode, and you have to remember to put it on reverse. Okay, so I'm first creating the groove, and as you can see, it's creating the groove. Okay, now I'm going to take this out and turn it around on the other side. It still remains on reverse, and now still remains on reverse. Okay. So there you are, job done.